What's up, everybody? The Optic Early Birds, break 3386. We are full. Dice roll. We're going 11 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. There and there 11 times. The Dolphins up top. The Bears at the bottom. $11 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 times here and 11 times right there. Joe Holloway up top and at the bottom as well. Sort these out. Let's print. Print again. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Optic Bird. Again, guys, got a few breaks full. Break 3340s down to 4. Take your spots there. Break 3340s down to just 4 spots. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Again, guys, take your spots on the site. There are a lot of breaks super close to filling. As soon as I'm done with this break, we'll fill another break because there's a lot that's close. And then we'll get right into the next one. You couldn't ask for much better. Who'd you get? Giants, Jets, I see. Chiefs. Best of luck, men. Best of luck. Hi there. Got gold vinyl. We'll put that all the way on the bottom. Again, guys, gold vinyl at the bottom of that pack. I'm going to save it. It's right there. Good luck. Garrett Wilson. Got gold vinyl incoming. Clinton Portis. Trey Von Walker. 276 of 299. Sky Moore on the orange to 199 for the Chiefs. Quay Walker. Again, guys, gold vinyl down. Brian Dawkins. 9 out of 15 on the Dawkins. To the Eagles. Josh Dietl. Taquan Thornton, Nick Bolton, Snoop Connor. The rookies. Gridiron Kings of Olave and a Calvin Austin. Again, guys, we got gold vinyl down. Daxton Hill for the Bengals to 179. K9, Kenneth Walker, Seattle. Aziz Ajalari to 299, Giants. Buyer on the Dolphins. Tyler Algier on the hollow for the Falcons. CeeDee Lamb on the orange, 199 boys. Drake London rated rook. Stephon Diggs to 299 for the Bills. Bills Mafia. George Pickens for the Steelers. Josh Dito, if you're on, or Robert Kennedy. My house is a buyer on that Dawkins. So Tom Brady to silver. Jerome Ford. Purple of Marquise Hollywood Brown, 13 out of 50. Cardinals. Trey McBride. Light it up of Olave. Khalil Shakur. Fletcher Cox on the hollow. Again, guys, we should have ink coming. Skylar Thompson. Joe Montana on the pink velocity to 79. 25 out of 79. Danny Gray. Auto is Lewis Sign, 12 out of 125 for the Vikings. On the sleeve, I'm going to top load some of these cards, guys. And then we're going to reveal the gold vinyl. Again, we got gold vinyl down. Good luck on that. Again, guys, take your spots and break 3340. Josh Deal is on. Go ahead and send your email. Robert will contact you. Robert is good too. He's golden, Josh. I vouch for Robert 8 days out of the week. Again, we got gold vinyl down. Again, we got the 3 early birds are full. Take your spots and break 3340, guys. There's the card Robert wants to buy. 3340. Take your spots there. There's just 4 left. If that does not fill, I will run a filler on it and we'll fill that up. Again, guys, good luck here on the gold vinyl. It's a Saint, Demario Davis. Uno de uno. Why couldn't we not have a rookie there? For the Saints. Where we got New Orleans. Ryan Chapman. There you go, Chap. Again, guys, recap. Brian Dawkins to 15. Again, guys, that's the break. Thanks for the fill. I'll be right back. Take your spots and break 3340. Break 3340 just has 4 left. Anybody in 3340? Yeah, that was a 101 gold vinyl.